Yes, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am, कर दी मैंने ना चालू.
Okay. Any doubt, beta? Yes, all are here. Rishabh is here. Shubham is here. Rishabh,
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Raj, Mayank, Ayush. Raj, Mayank, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Vaibhav, Harshit,
Yes, ma'am.
Rupal, Dakshita, Sanaya.
Yes,
All are
ma'am.
here now. Renuka,
Yes, ma'am.
Radhika. You all are present. Nikhil, who is absent now? No one. Only Mahipal and Rakhi.
हाँ मैम,
Yes.
जो रोज नहीं आ रहे वो भी नहीं आ रहे बस.
हाँ, बस यही नहीं आ रहे ना, महिपाल, राखी एंड दिव्या.
बाकी सब है.
ओके.
रेणुका.
हाँ, रेणुका भी नहीं है अभी.
रेणुका को इन्फॉर्म कर देना. वन जने स्टॉप करो रिकॉर्डिंग. अब तक हम लोग डिस्कशन करें.
मैम मैं
हाँ, यस. रेणुका
मैम मैं प्रेजेंट हूँ.
ओके ओके ओके. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट. नो डाउट. टॉपिक क्लियर. यस आयुष, एनी डाउट?
No, ma'am.
ओके. मयंक.
No, ma'am. कोई नहीं है.
Okay, now I am taking today's topic. What is that? That is a male gamete structure. What is that? Male gamete structure. That is called the sperm structure. Male gamete is also called the sperm. It is also called the spermatozoa. So sperm structure में, you know, sperm is a microscopic. We can't see with naked eye. Microscopic. Sperm consists of 4 parts. What are that? One is head, neck, middle piece, head, neck, middle piece, and tail. Okay. Sperm is surrounded by the membrane. That is called the plasma membrane. What is the name of that membrane? Plasma membrane. Now, with the help of diagram, I'm going to explain.
मैम मेम्ब्रेन कौन सी होती है?
Plasma membrane. Okay. This
Yes,
paper
sir.
is visible now, I think.
Yes.
Yes, beta. First of all, I am taking sperm structure. In sperm consists of the 4 main parts. The one is called the head, surrounded by the, and second part is called the neck. Second part is called neck, and third part is called middle piece. What is that? Third is called the middle piece, and the fourth part. What is the name of fourth part? Fourth part name is a tail, and upper side of head. What is present? Acrosome. What is present? Acrosome is there. Yes, and all sperm surrounded by the membrane. That membrane is called plasma membrane. What is the name of that membrane? That is called the plasma membrane. Okay. All sperm body is surrounded by the membrane. That is called the plasma membrane. Yes, plasma membrane. On upper side of the head, acrosome is present. What is present in the acrosome? Hydrolytic enzyme. Hydrolytic enzyme.
Right, में
What is
shift
the
करो.
use of hydrolytic enzyme? Left hand side. Okay. Left. Now okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hydrolytic enzymes are present. What is the use of hydrolytic enzyme? Hydrolytic enzymes are help in dissolving of egg outer membrane. Yani jona pehla sudha dissolved by the hydrolytic enzyme that is present in the acrosome. And first part is called the head. Second, neck. Second is called the neck. Third, middle piece, fourth tail. Okay. Now, again, I'm coming in the head. In head, what is present? One nucleus is present. And condensed chromatin material present in the head. What is present? Nucleus and condensed chromatin material. That is chromatin material. What is the use of chromatin material? That change into the chromosomes. The chromosomes are made up of chromatin material. Listen, yani in a head, condensed chromatin material and nucleus is present. Now we will come in neck portion. In neck portion, proximal centriole present. What is present in neck portion? Proximal centriole present in neck portion. Name is here proximal centriole. What is the use of that? Proximal centriole help in first division of the zygote. What is the function? It help in first division of zygote. Okay. And lower side, what is present? Distal centriole is present. Where it help in the distal centriole, backrosome. Listen me. Distal centriole connected with the tail filament. Yani distal centriole. This is the proximal, and the later side is present. That is a distal. That connected with the axial filament. This is axial filament of tail. It connected with the axial filament of tail. Okay. Distal centriole that is connected to the tail filament. Now we will come in the middle piece. Third portion is a middle piece. In the middle piece, what is present? Many mitochondria are present. What is present in the middle piece? Many mitochondria. Mitochondria, many mitochondria present. What is the function of mitochondria? Give energy for movement of the tail. In the tail require energy that is given by the mitochondria. Now next, tail. Tail consists of axial filament. What is that? Axial filament. Tail is consists of axial filament and surrounded by the plasma membrane. It help in sperm movement. What is the function of tail? Tail help in the movement of sperm. Okay. Now listen me. One more important point. What is that? During the ejaculation, human being release 200 to 300 million sperm. During ejaculation, human being release 200 to 300 million sperms. Okay. And now, sometimes the question is come. What is that? Semen. What is a semen? Semen is seminal plasma secretion with sperm. Seminal plasma secretion with sperm is called the semen. What is that? What is a semen? Seminal plasma with sperm. Seminal plasma with sperm. That is called semen. Okay. What is the name of semen? Seminal plasma with sperm. That is called the semen. Okay. Now, you have any doubt from sperm structure? You can ask me question. Yes.
मैम टेल वाला वापस बताना.
Listen me. Tail. In a tail, axial filament is present. What is it? It's surrounded by the plasma membrane. What is the function of the tail? Tail help in movement of sperm. How sperm is moved? With the help of the tail. Okay. And now, 200 to 300 sperm ejaculate during one coitus. During one coitus, 200 to 300 sperms ejaculated. Okay. And sometimes the question is come in board examination, what is a semen? Semen means seminal plasma secretion plus sperm is called the semen. Yes, any doubt?
मैम
हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम का फंक्शन क्या है?
हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम का फंक्शन.
Listen me. What is the function of hydrolytic enzyme? Yes, hydrolytic enzyme help in sperm. dissolving outer membrane of egg. In the egg is surrounded by the Jona Pella Suda. Jona Pella Suda acrosome release the hydrolytic enzyme, dissolve Jona Pella Suda, so sperm nucleus enter inside egg. Okay. Yes. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm taking next topic. What is that? The female reproductive system. Male reproductive system. Any doubt in male reproductive system? Male reproductive system completed now. Now today I'm taking female reproductive system. Listen me. Female reproductive system is made up of same. Female reproductive system is consist of the primary sex organ. You already know about that primary sex organ. Primary sex organ is called the ovary. What is the function? Produce egg. And second, secondary sex organ. Secondary sex organs are secondary sex organ in which secondary या accessory duct. Which are the accessory duct in female reproductive part? Oviduct, uterus, or cervix and vagina. Accessory duct, oviduct, uterus, cervix and vagina. Accessory gland in female, mammary gland is present, that is the accessory gland. Okay, so first of all I am taking ovary, that is a primary sex organ. You know, ovary are the female primary sex organ, produce egg. Where ovary present? Ovary present in abdominal cavity. It present in the abdominal cavity on east side of the lower abdomen. East side of lower abdomen, attached with pelvic wall by ovarian ligament. Ovary present in abdominal cavity, attached with pelvic wall by ovarian filament. You know, sometimes the question is come, why ovary is present in abdominal cavity? Because temperature fit for egg formation. Okay. Now I am taking secondary sex organ में accessory duct. You know, up before that we are taking ovary is which shape ovary is there? Or ovary is an almond shape or 2 to 4 centimeter in length. Ovary is almond shaped 2 to 4 centimeter in length. Or outer side of the ovary, developing ovarian follicle is present. Outer side of the ovary, developing ovarian follicle present, and in inner side, the developed follicles, mature follicles are there. Okay, the middle region, stroma is present. In stroma, what is there? Connective tissue or blood vessels and mature follicle. Okay, means ovary, outer side, developing follicles are present. Inner side, stroma, that is made up of connective tissue, blood and mature follicle, blood vessels and mature follicle. Now the stroma is divided into the two parts. The outer part is called the cortex and inner is called the medulla. Okay, now I am taking, look here, diagram. 2 ovaries are present in human being female in abdominal cavity attached with the pelvic wall by the ovarian ligaments. Outer side, what is present? Outer side, immature follicles are present. Immature follicles are present outer side. And inner side structure is called the stroma. What is that? Stroma. Or in which what is present? Blood vessels. Blood vessels. Or plus connective tissue. Okay. And mature follicle. What is that? Mature follicle. Big follicles are there. Okay. And What is the length of the ovary? You already know about that. 2 to 4 centimeter in length. Okay. And ovary is divided in the two part. The stroma is divided in the two part. The outer portion is called the cortex and inner is called the medulla. Cortex and inner is called medulla. Yes. Now, listen me. Near the ovary, the two small tubes are present near ovary. That is called the oviduct. What is that? Oviduct. Two tubes are present near ovary. That is called the fallopian tube, or it is also called the oviduct. Fallopian tube, or it is also called the oviduct. Fallopian tube is funnel shaped. It is funnel shaped. Funnel shaped structure is called the infundibulum. What is that? Infundibulum. Infundibulum. Funnel shaped structures present in oviduct, that is called the infundibulum. In infundibulum, finger-like projections are present called fimbriae. That is called the fimbriae. What is the use of fimbriae? Fimbriae come closer near ovary, come closer to ovary during ovulation. What is the ovulation? After maturation, egg free from the ovary. This is called the ovulation. After maturation, egg free from the ovary called ovulation. After ovulation, fimbriae collect egg, come closer to ovary and collect egg by the movement of fimbriae. Yani fimbriae are moved and the egg enter in the fallopian tube. Okay. Fallopian tube backside is wider. Wider portion of the fallopian tube is called the ampulla. It is called the ampulla. And the last part of the fallopian tube that attach with the uterus, last part of the fallopian tube attach with the uterus, called the isthmus. That is called the isthmus. Okay. Yes. Near the ovary, fallopian tube, funnel shaped structure is called the infundibulum. I already taught you. From infundibulum, finger-like projections are arise called fimbriae. What is the function? Collect egg free after ovulation. Wider part of the fallopian tube called the ampulla. In between the ampulla isthmus junction, fertilization take place. Where fertilization take place? Between ampulla isthmus junction. Last part of the ovary attached with uterus is called the isthmus. Okay. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? Now I am taking uterus. Uterus is muscular, pear-shaped. Uterus is muscular and pear-shaped. Okay. It is a muscular and pear-shaped. Yes. And listen me, next hollow muscular pear-shaped, supported by the ligament and attached to the pelvic wall. It attached to the
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
pelvic wall. Okay. Listen me. Uterus, muscular, pear-shaped, attached with pelvic wall by ligament. Okay. Uterus surrounded by the three membrane. Uterus surrounded by the three membrane. Listen me. Perimetrium. Outer wall is called the perimetrium. It creates confusion because already I written here, na? The outer wall is called the perimetrium. Perimetrium. Second layer is called the myometrium. And innermost layer is called that is called the endometrium. Yes, first of all I am taking, what is that? The perimetrium. Perimetrium, outer thin covering. Outer thin covering. Second is called the myometrium. It is a middle thick layer and smooth muscles fibers are present in which middle thick layer, smooth muscles fibers are present, help in contraction and relaxation during the birth of baby, during the baby birth. And the innermost layer is called the endometrium. In endometrium, that is the innermost layer, contain the glands, many blood vessels. And this layer is responsible for cyclic changes. This layer is responsible for menstrual cycle or cyclic changes. Okay? And the lower part of the uterus is called the cervix. And that continue in a canal that is called the cervical canal. Okay? Cervical canal is also called the baby birth canal. Baby birth canal. It is also called the baby birth canal. Okay? Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt?
एंडोमेट्रियम एक बार बस.
Endometrium. Endometrium is the innermost layer. It contains many blood vessels. During menstrual cycle, cyclic changes take place in endometrium. Means endometrium break and come out in the form of the blood and new endometrium is formed. Okay? Any doubt?
मैम फेलोपियन ट्यूब की लेंथ कितनी होती है?
It is 10 to 12 centimeter. 10 to 12 centimeter in length. Fallopian tube is 10 to 12 centimeter in length. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम मायोमेट्रियम का फंक्शन क्या होता है?
Again I am going to repeat. Yes. New diagram से वापस बताती हूँ मैं, listen me. Yes. Again I am going to repeat. Yeah, yeah. Any problem? Listen. Again, listen. 2 ovary present in human being in abdomen.
मैम म्यूट कर दिया किसी ने आपको?
Okay, listen. In ovary, outside ovarian follicles are present, immature follicles. Middle portion is called the stroma. Okay. In stroma, what is present? Stroma contain connective tissue or mature follicle. Okay. Now, near the ovary, 10 to 12 centimeter long fallopian tube is present. Fallopian tube is funnel shaped. That is called infundibulum. In infundibulum, finger-like projections are there called femori. Okay, what is the function? Helping.
किसने करा ये बता दो फटाफट. मैम गई।
ये किसने किया भाई? ये किसने किया? Who is that? मुझे दोबारा एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत है नहीं, वापस बताऊं या नहीं? विद डायग्राम अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन टू यू, क्योंकि उस वाले डायग्राम में बीच में नाम आ गए थे. यस, फैलोपियन ट्यूब, ओके, infundibulum, backside of the infundibulum, the wider portion that is called the impula.
मैम कैमरा ऑन करो।
कैमरा ऑन।
यस मैम।
Listen, infundibulum, after the infundibulum, wider portion is called the impula. Yes, yes, impula is there. After the impula, last part of the fallopian tube is called isthmus. What is that? That is called the isthmus. Last part is called the isthmus. Okay, 3 parts of the fallopian tube, you know. Up now, the next portion of female reproductive part, that is a uterus. Uterus, you know, uterus. Uterus
मैम आप म्यूट हो गए।
यस बेटा हो रही हूँ। यस, डायग्राम की जरूरत है क्या बेटा दोबारा? मैं इसलिए कि और अच्छे से डायग्राम आ जाए, दैट्स व्हाई. नाउ द यूट्रस, यू नो, इन ए यूट्रस इट इज ए pear shaped muscular attached by pelvic wall through ligament. Uterus is surrounded by the 3 membrane. Uterus is surrounded by the 3 membrane. Outer membrane is called the perimetrium. Perimetrium. Second is called the endometrium. Second is called the myometrium. Innermost is called the endometrium. Okay, perimetrium is outermost wall. It is a thin. Myometrium, that in which the smooth muscles are present, which help in
थोड़ा
baby
लेफ्ट में
birth.
शिफ्ट करो।
Help in baby birth, in which the contraction and relaxation take place during the baby birth. Smooth muscles are present in which it is thick. And the innermost layer, that is the endometrium. Endometrium, due to the endometrium, means cyclic changes take place in the endometrium, that is responsible for menstrual cycle. Okay, and the second lower part of the uterus is called the cervix. Okay, cervix is continue in a canal, that is called the cervical canal. Cervical canal. Cervical canal is also called the baby birth canal. Okay, female reproductive part complete. Yes. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question.
मैम पेरीमीट्रियम का फंक्शन बता दो एक बार वापस।
Perimetrium, outer wall, it is a protective layer. It is outer wall and protective. Okay. Next. Any doubt?
नो मैम।
From sperm, any doubt? Front camera ही
No,
नहीं
ma'am.
हो रहा। बैक कैमरा ऑफ हो गया क्या? नहीं हुआ ना?
नो मैम।
एक मिनट वेट। ऑफ हो गया? नहीं हुआ।
नहीं।
Yes, any doubt? You can ask me question.
मैम वॉर्म क्या होता है?
Pardon?
मैम वॉर्म।
Worm? Acha.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
uterus is also called the worm. The other name of the uterus is worm. Uterus is also called the womb. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Or any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Today take one more topic, mammary gland.
बहुत
Yes
है
or
मैम
no?
आज के बहुत है आज के मैम हो गया
Okay.
मैम आज
Okay. So go through with topic, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me question tomorrow.
यस
Yes.
मैम थैंक यू
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? निखिल, मुझे एक बात ये वीडियो स्टॉप करो.
हाँ,
हाँ, लिसन मी. मैं बोल रही हूँ कि तुम इसे डायरेक्ट ही भेज देते हो क्या, प्रेस करके? मतलब जब वीडियो बन रही होती तभी लॉन्ग प्रेस करके डायरेक्ट गैलरी में चली जाती है.